Cut. She is cutting the fabric to make a dress. Sew. She is sewing the buttons on the shirt. Wear. He wears a suit to work every day. Undress. He undresses himself before taking a shower. Borrow. I borrowed my friend's pencil to use. Lend. I will lend you my pencil for a day. Accept. He accepts his invitation to dinner. Refuse. He refuses to eat vegetables. Teach. She teaches English at the local school. Learn. Sarah is learning a new language. Spit. He spits out the sour lemon juice. Swallow. I struggle to swallow the large vitamin. Start. They are going to start the race at 8 a.m. sharp. Finish. She finished the race with a smile. Labor. He labors to lift the heavy weight. Rest. She likes to rest with a good book on the beach. Punish. He is punishing his child for misbehaving. Reward. He rewarded his son with a hug. Forgive. The teacher forgave the student for cheating. Blame. She blames her friend for the ruined party. Arrive. The plane arrives daily from Paris. Depart. The plane departed yesterday evening. Play. Kids play outside all day. Work. She is working at the office today. Forget. She forgot the answer to the question. Remember. He remembers the answer to the question. Attack. The boxer attacked him with a powerful punch. Defend. He defended his friend from the bully. Argue. They argue about whose fault it was. Agree. He agreed with his opinion on the matter. Stand. Can you stand up straight? Sit. He sits down on the couch to relax. Question. He questioned his teacher about the math problem. Answer. I answered the teacher's question correctly. Come. He is coming inside to get some water. Go. He is going outside to enjoy the fresh air. Win. She wins a prize for her outstanding artwork. Lose. He loses his temper and yells at her. Enjoy. Children are enjoying a bountiful feast. Get bored. She gets bored with the same old routine. Spend. She spends too much money on designer clothes. Save. I am saving money for my son's education. Wash. She washes her hair with a volumizing shampoo. Dry. I dry my hair before styling. Sob. She sobs softly, trying not to be heard. Laugh. She laughs hysterically at the silly video. Talk. I love to talk to my best friend. Listen. She listens carefully to the instructions. Sell. I sell organic vegetables from my garden. Buy. I buy frozen vegetables for convenience. Stand. She is standing at the bus stop. Lie. She lies in bed, reading a book before bedtime. Adore. I adore my wife's beauty, both inside and out. Detest. She detests rude behavior. Send. She sent a letter to her grandmother. Receive. I received my online shopping parcel today. Open. He opened the door to let her in. Close. He closed the door at night to feel secure. Go. She is going to travel around the world. Stay. I am staying home to work on my project.
Hide. Children are hiding behind a bush. Show. Come. I will show you my newly decorated room. Give. He gave his wife a romantic gift. Take. I took a gift from my friend on my birthday. Import. The company imports goods from the overseas. Export. The farm exports fresh produce to markets worldwide. Lock. He locked the cabinet with a special key. Unlock. I unlocked the door to let her in. Hold. David is holding the baby adoringly. Leave. She is leaving birds to migrate on their own. Build. He builds buildings with sustainable materials. Destroy. They are destroying buildings to rebuild them. Push. He is pushing the cart with a big smile. Pull. I pull the cart loaded with children through the mall. Fix. He spent hours fixing computer. Break. The businessman breaks the glass door in anger. Mix. I mix fruit together to make a delicious fruit salad. Separate. The grocery store separates fruit by type and color. Throw. He throws the ball with all his might to break the record. Catch. He leaps into the air, trying to catch the ball. Scream. She is screaming in anger at the world's cruelty. Whisper. She whispered a secret in her friend's ear. Increase. Taxes will increase next year. Decrease. Sales will decrease next month.